Alright, I'm gonna make a quilt using half square triangles. Let me get I'm gonna sew around. Let me get my foot pedal over here. I hope everybody's doing alright. Alright, I've got it in place. I'm gonna make a 1/4 inch seam on each side of these lines. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to cut down the middle of this. If you can see that. Alright. Let me take this and I'll bring it back. Now press it out. Well, let me get it off. Alright, I have got my blocks made and I'm sewing them in strips. I hope everybody's doing alright today. And at the moment it's not raining. I don't know if it's supposed to rain today or not. I didn't check the weather. But we had a dry spell for so long, the grass was just about ready, dry. But it's coming back to life. Oh, me. Alright, let me... I'll get these 6 together and then I'll bring it back when I get it all done. I'm getting old. When I sit at the sewing machine for a while, my back gets to hurting and I'll have to get back in the recliner with my cushion in my back. But I'm still here. I ain't as young as I used to be. I worked till I was 76 years old. And I had to cry. I cried when I had to quit, but I broke my leg. Had a femur bone. I had to have a rod put in my leg, and I worked a year and a half. Finally had to give it up. I worked almost 50 years. I never was afraid of hard work. I cried when I had to retire. I didn't want to. I never did mind working. I worked, put 3 kids through school. And get my needle threaded. Well, I didn't get it threaded. Maybe this will do it. Yep, that done it. I'm going to try to get by with putting 6 blocks in a row, because I've got to put the inner border on and then the regular border on, make it wide enough. Yeah, one more. I think I got one. I'll be glad when fall gets here. I'd like to get out in the yard and sit on the front porch, but it's too hot to sit out there. But thank goodness I can afford air conditioning. I got one behind me in the window, and I got one in the kitchen window. I'm in the dining room out there. All right. I will bring you back when you get them put together. All right, I have got 6 rows. I have got 6 rows of this quilt done. So that's what it looks like. So I've got to put 3 more rows on it. But I wanted to go ahead and get this downloaded to YouTube. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Y'all have a blessed weekend.